It's a pleasure to have you back, and I will be installing 124 of these fashion dreads. It's 100% human hair dreadlocks that I've made, handmade dreadlocks. Yeah, so keep watching. It's gonna be a long day, but I try to make it into a short 9-minute video for you. Okay, and yeah, I'm about to start. So the client has really small dreads. That's his own hair you're seeing. He's rocking his own hair. These are my lock hooks that I love using to install the dreadlocks. 124. Yes, they're already shampooed. They're, like I said, they're 100% human hair, and they are already shampooed and whatnot. So some of his locks, some are smaller than some, so there are different sizes, and the smaller ones I'm gonna be doubling them together, like making a wig. I'll be making a wig so that his hair wouldn't be weak. So like when you have a small dreadlock, a tiny piece of hair, and you're gonna add on like extensions onto that hair, after time or over time, it's gonna weaken that hair. It's gonna pull out the follicles. It's gonna get smaller and smaller, and we don't want that. We want everything to be nice and healthy. We want the same size dreadlocks for all sizes. So yeah, and this is how I am started. From my previous lock videos, I normally braid on the extension at first, and I tease it by crocheting the braid. Make sure it's nice and secure, and I am trying to work as fast as I can right here. And if you miss something, you can always go back and look at it and leave your comment, your question in my video. So yeah, when I'm installing the dreadlocks, I like the client's hair to be dry, no products added. So you just wash, shampoo, you can add your conditioner, and then you just towel dry or you blow dry. But you're not gonna straighten it out if you don't have dreadlocks. You're just gonna blow dry and leave your hair nice and natural dry. Okay, and I'm gonna add some added human hair to cover the braid, to make it nice and seamless, to make it nice and blended. And yeah, so that's me going really fast. It's not hurting or anything like that. It's all hair. It's all hair right now, and I'm doing a little roll and making it nice and sturdy. So that's me. So what I just did, I took two of his locks, his hair, and I joined them like wigs, made them into wigs. And yeah, and then I added the extension onto the wigs, and I am just making it into a dreadlock. And the dreadlock, it is 8 inches, and that's the length in inches, and the size is 0.2 centimeters. So yeah, this is my second one. So most of the locks at the back, they are a bit small, and we don't want any weak hair or locks falling out in the future. So we're just gonna do it proper at first. So that's me combing out the locks. So look closely. And this is me gonna braid on the dreadlock onto his natural hair. So that's what I normally do. That way it's not gonna be easily to fall off or anything like that. So I already done a couple of the dreads, so keep watching. I've done a handful and I'm here, and I think this is about 2 hours or less, 2 hours of work right here. And the dreadlocks, they're so tiny, like really thin, 0.2 centimeters. They're really thin. They're almost like sister locks. They're really small. So yeah, bear with me. And this pin, these hook can be so detrimental to your fingers. Oh man, oh boy, what I'm telling you. So when you're using these hooks, professional or not, you gotta be careful. Okay, you gotta be careful as to how you insert and your technique. You have to have a proper way of handling these pins, because the size that I'm using is 0.75, and that's pretty small. They have smaller, but no way, I'm not gonna work with a smaller hook than this one. So this one do the work really well, so I like using it, the 2 fangs. Yeah. So here am I'm finishing up. I'm just styling. Well, yes, I have finished installing 124 dreadlocks. It took me almost the whole day to do this, and I'm doing the tush and twist, making the parts nice and clean. And yeah, so this is my way of installing the human hair dreadlocks, the fashion dreads, whatever you want to call it. And do leave your comments and everything below. Be sure to share my video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Okay, so peace out.